We were hesitant to sell our real estate or even thinking about selling our real estate because our real estate, it's a part of our patient experience. Our real estate are our spaces. Our real estate is where our employees come to work and our doctors practice every day. And it was just too hard to think about losing control of that. We started to learn that we understood the urology business, but we weren't necessarily the best real estate managers. So we were interested in having our own spaces, but we also knew that we needed help. We spent almost a year looking for people that we thought could partner with us. And it was just a few minutes after Chip at Montecito walked in the door that we had started to suspect we found the right partner. All they do is our business. We feel like they know us. They ask questions about our practice and our physicians. They ask questions about things people wouldn't know unless they really just did what we do. It wasn't just a sale and a walk away. We're still here. We still inhabit these spaces. This is still our home. They treat it like it's our home, and we communicate with them. And if you want that long-term partnership that feels right, this is the best fit. And I would recommend that Montecito is really more like a long-term partner than it is a transaction. During COVID, there were weeks and months when we didn't know if the patients would come back. And I remember picking up the phone and calling them and saying, listen, if things don't get better, I don't know what's gonna happen to my rent check in 6, 8, 10 weeks. And I'll never forget just how kind they were, how gracious they were, and how ultimately they said, Steve, just call us. We'll work anything out as long as we work together. The idea that they were gonna stand with us, even if the worst should happen, I'll always remember that, and I'll always appreciate their partnership when we were in our time of great need.